have been sober for 6.5 months.
I know the law.
I know the law.
I know you can't search my car without a warrant.
I'll sit here if you take off the handcuffs.
Okay.
If not, I'll run out.
Stop touching me!
I'm sorry, hello?
Hi, miss. I'm Officer Coster with Crystal Lake Police Department. We're just talking to you because we got a couple complaints that you might have been swerving on the road, or...
I don't think I was.
You don't think you were?
No.
Maybe it was a phone, you're on your phone or for something, or...
No, I'm just a bad driver. I failed
You're
my
a bad
driving
driver?
test twice.
Okay.
Trust me, I'm trying to drive nice.
Hey, we need you to step out, okay? You're gonna come and talk with us over here, okay? All right, my dear. Here, put your butt right against there. This officer is gonna ask you some questions, okay?
So, have you been drinking at all tonight? No? You just maybe on your phone or something?
Maybe, yeah.
Where are you coming from?
Carrie, I'm on my music a lot.
Your music? Okay. Do you have your ID on you?
I can check.
I just need to look at where you're reaching, my dear. It's right there? Okay. All right, you good?
Yes, I'm
Okay.
sorry. I'm just stressed.
All right,
I don't...
why are you
Why are you
so...
stressed?
Because I've been pulled over like once before.
Okay, here, put your butt right back there, okay?
2004, how old does that make you?
That makes me 18.
18? Okay.
What's your first name?
Ellie.
Ellie? Hey, Ellie. Do you know what time it is right now? Go without looking. Guess.
About like 6:30.
Okay, it's right now it's 7:15. Is there anything that you did today that you think, in terms of medications, alcohol, prescribed, not prescribed drugs, weed, anything like that, that you took today that you think would impair your driving?
No.
Okay. Have you had any alcoholic beverages today?
No. I have been sober for 6.5 months.
Okay. What about marijuana? Any marijuana today? Okay. When was the last time you smoked marijuana?
I'm sober from alcohol, but not marijuana. But
Okay.
marijuana was probably like yesterday or 2 days ago.
Yesterday or 2 days
But
ago?
I don't think it would impair my driving today.
Okay. All right. So since you've been at Target, you have not consumed any alcoholic
No.
beverages. Okay. And not
And they
since...
could check the cameras and see that I...
Okay.
Didn't.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there anything illegal that you may have in the car?
No.
Okay. So you have no alcohol in the car?
No.
Okay. No cannabis, weed in
No.
the car? No prescription medication not prescribed to you
No.
or any other drugs in the car?
Like, what's it called? Things that are like extra vitamins for you.
Like multivitamins?
Kind of, but like,
Nothing.
If it's something like over the counter,
Yeah, it's
we're not
over
talking
the
about
counter.
like
They
that.
sell them at Target.
Yeah.
That's not. Again, our concern is we had 2 people call in saying that you were swerving on the road, and we just want to make sure you're okay to drive.
And stumbling.
That's why.
Okay.
That's why.
After they saw you get out of your car.
I promise you, I am.
So
I could literally call my boyfriend.
So
and
I
I tell
really-
you how clumsy I am.
So here's the deal, though. Okay, I appreciate it. All right, I appreciate what you're saying to me. However, we have a little bit of a problem. Okay, so I'm going to give you an opportunity to be honest with me. Okay, because when you opened your door, I saw the bottle of vodka that's in your driver's side of your door.
I don't have any.
Okay. Well, I saw it.
Well,
Hold on. I don't want you reaching in your car.
well,
Okay.
you could open the door.
Okay,
and
I'll
see
open
it.
the door. You can stand with Officer Costa right here.
I'm just saying I don't have a bottle of vodka on my side door.
Okay,
And you
so
can open
you're
that and
okay
look at
with me opening and looking?
Yes.
Maybe she saw it wrong or something. Okay?
Yes,
We're
she
just
can
checking,
open
okay?
and look at it. Okay.
So, okay. So now we have a problem, okay?
What?
I have a really big problem.
What?
Okay. Now we're not cool.
Why?
Okay. And I'll explain to you why we're not cool. Because I saw it there.
I promise
Okay.
you, it wasn't
Dear.
there.
Everything's on video, okay?
Okay.
So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna have you stand by with these officers and I'm gonna search your vehicle.
You don't
okay?
have the warrant to do that.
Actually, I have probable cause because I observed alcohol.
You
and
don't have warrant to do
because
that.
I observed
I have a
alcohol.
right to not let you search my car.
Okay, so
I have a right to not let you search my car.
Unfortunately,
No, I have a right to not let you search my car.
we're not doing this.
I have a right
Ellie,
to not let you search my
Ellie,
car.
Ellie.
We're not doing this. Come on, let's go. Get back
You
here.
know my rights,
not
and
touch
you
me.
know I have a right to
Do
not let
touch
you
me.
search my car.
Okay, chill out. Okay.
I know
because
you-
I don't want to have to put you in handcuffs right now.
I know you don't have the right to search my car.
You need
It's
to
an
relax.
exception to the law. It's called a mobile conveyance.
You guys looked in my car before you had the right to search my car,
Listen.
and you saw the weed, and so you don't have a right to search my car.
It's also plain view. Yes.
You don't have a right to search my car.
I do.
No, you don't.
Okay, so
no,
Ellie-
you don't.
Ellie,
Ellie,
do
we don't
not
wanna put you
touch
in
me like
handcuffs.
that.
I'm telling
Just-
you.
just cooperate with us.
All the time, dear.
I'm
Don't
telling
touch
you
me
for a
like
fact
that.
you don't have a right
Okay.
to search my car.
So listen to me. This is gonna go one of two ways, okay? I would rather not put you in handcuffs. I don't want to put you in handcuffs, okay? I don't want to. If you're cooperative, we can figure this out and work through it.
I'm just
okay?
saying you can't search my car without a warrant.
Well, I know the law. Probably.
I know the law.
Okay.
I know you can't search my car without a warrant. You guys know this.
Ellie, these are your choices. You can go stand by that squad car with these two gentlemen, okay? That's your first choice. If you do not want to do that, your second choice is I'm going to put you in handcuffs, okay? Which
You
do you
can't
choose?
search my car without a warrant.
Which do you choose?
You
I'm going to
can't-
give you. I'm not arguing with you.
You
I'm going
can't-
to. I'm going to give you one opportunity right now.
You can't search my
What
car
is your-
without a warrant.
Ellie, it's all on body cam.
You can't search my car
Yes,
without a
we can.
warrant. No, you
Okay.
can't.
Turn around. Turn around.
Do not handcuff me.
We're not gonna do this. We're not gonna do this.
Chill. Turn around.
Please don't handcuff me. I'll go with them to the car.
Ellie,
I'll go with them
Ellie,
to the car
Ellie.
right now. Please, I'm trying to walk to the
Ellie,
car. I can't
stop.
be handcuffed.
Stop. Okay, right now you're being placed under arrest, okay?
Stop.
Ellie,
Stop.
let's not do that.
Stop it. Stop it.
I can't be in handcuffs.
Ellie, stop.
Take me out of the handcuffs then.
Listen.
Take me out of the fucking handcuffs.
Ellie, stop.
Take me out of the handcuffs.
Stop it. Take a deep breath. Listen to me.
I'll sit in this car if you please take the handcuffs off.
Well,
me.
I cannot have you unhandcuffed. It's my policy. I can get fired for it.
Please take off the handcuffs because I can't with handcuffs. Please, please.
Chill. You have to chill out.
Please take off the handcuffs.
Okay.
Please.
Right now, I can't. You know why?
I'll sit here if you take off the handcuffs.
Okay.
If not, I'll run out.
Ellie, listen to me, okay? Because of everything that just happened, I need to ensure that you're safe. If you keep fighting like this, my sergeant's on his way here, and he has this device called the wrap, and it completely restrains you. If you can't calm yourself down the way we are now, I am going to have to put you in that, and I don't want to do that. So we have to stop. What's in your pants right here? Is it just your... Don't reach. Do not reach. Oh, okay. We have a retail theft.
No.
Out search.
Please.
Ellie, if you like, I don't know.
Don't touch me! Just because you're out! Stop touching me!
Wrap her.
Abusing me!
Lift her up to her end. Wait, 1, 2, 3.
Dude! Ow! Ow! Get the handcuffs off of me!
You're not gonna get anywhere like that.
그녀는 면허정지 수준의 음주운전과 절도죄로 기소되었습니다.